Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to disable the @everyone on Discord. So basically what you want to do is go with your server first. So let's say I'm going to type in @everyone just like so, and just click on enter. So this will basically mention everyone, so it will spam everyone including you. If you see this like yellow highlight here, means you're included in that mention. So if you want to disable that, just go to the particular server, or channel that you want to disable it. So click on that edit channel right there, permissions. And if you want to remove everyone from doing this, you just need to click on @everyone here, scroll down till you see the mention right here. So make sure that this is X'd out. So after that, you just need to click on save changes. Once you're done with that, so anyone cannot do type in this. So basically I am a server owner, so I can still do this, but for every other person there, they cannot do this. But if you want to just add a particular person, or deny the permission for a particular person, just need to click the plus button here on the roles and members, so, and pick the person that you want to disable them from doing this. So I pick this member, then just scroll down and just X this out too. So basically that person cannot mention for that particular server. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because I'll reach more people. See you in the next one.